Good evening, everybody, and thank you for joining me on this video. Unfortunately, my camera did not record anything this evening. I literally had this camera with me and the footage just never saved to the card. I remember checking it to make sure that it was in fact recording. The little red light was blinking, but it's all gone. I'm so bummed because I'm literally sitting here with my computer. I was gonna offload the footage with Duchess over there supervising me, and unfortunately, there won't be a video tonight, but there will be one tomorrow. I guess you can consider this 60-second little fill-in as a video. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try better next time. Have a good evening. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye-bye.